Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this VICSEED magnetic car mount. So this thing looks really nice. That's a magnet. Here I've got the iPhone 13 Pro Max and it's going to stick right to it through that case. Okay, it's got a very strong magnet. You got to get it kind of where it needs to go, but once you do, then it sticks. Now I can mount this to the car. I can rotate it at different angles and it's going to stick really good. Let's take a close-up look. Again, you're going to peel this off. This is two-sided tape here to stick. And I can rotate this a little bit. It's nice and strong. Now I can also mount these rings to other phones. So these rings, if you mount this, it's got two-sided tape on one side. If I mount this to another phone, it will stick. Now the phone will stick to it because this is the other side of the magnet here. It does come with the extra-sided two-sided tapes for this side right here. It does come with this little matchup card. You can put this so to make sure you get those on those phones that don't have the magnet inside the phone. You can put that right where it needs to go. So if you have an iPhone 12, 13, or 14, this will stick right to it. You won't need to install any extra magnets or anything. So the magnet itself is right at about 2 3/8. Thickness wise, it's not super thick, about 1/4 inch thick. It sticks out from the car about 1 1/4 inches. Again, you got lots of different angles you can choose from. And then this size right here is, the sticky part is right about 1 1/4 inches, but the whole thing's about 1.5 inches almost. I hope this video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.